Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to show you the easiest website builder to use. It's called Mighty Sites. You can visit it just by going to mightysites.com. Not only is it easy to use, but it's only $9 a month, and it comes with a 7-day free trial. So give it a shot. You'll see what I mean. I'll do a quick demo here. Doesn't matter what type of business or you're trying to build a website for. There are literally hundreds of templates and color palettes and themes. All you need to do is search for whatever you're trying to build a website for. So let's just say I own a local tree service. I'm just going to click on tree service. I put in my name, so put in Keegan's Tree Service Business. And then I put in my city and state. So let's just say Denver, Colorado. And then what type of business is this? This is a service business. I'll click continue. And as soon as I do that, it's actually going to automatically create the template, write the copy for me, and deploy the website so that I can get started on editing the template and launching my website. So you can see, just like that, by entering some basic business information, Mighty Sites actually created a website for my business. Now, to show you that this is the easiest website builder to use, check out how easy this is to make edits. So all I have to do, there are these update section buttons throughout the site. All I have to do is click on one of these update section buttons, and it's going to drop down boxes where I can enter things in, and then it will automatically code them and show them up for me. So let me show you what I mean. So let's just put in my Twitter account. So we'll put in Twitter, Mighty Sites USA. Now, as soon as I add that, I can save that link, and then here's the Twitter logo up there, right? Let's just say that I want to add my phone number so people can contact me. There we go. I write in my phone number on the box, and it shows up right here. Let's just say I want my email to show up too. I just type in my email, click show my email on the website, save and close. And now look at how easy this is to contact me. If I wanted to put my address, I could put that too. But I could add all of my social media links, my phone number, all the icons are there. It types it out for me nicely. Let's just say I want to go over here and add a logo or update my location. I can change my menu items here. I can add more menu items. I can link other places. I can load a PDF, whatever I want to do. But I'll find a logo just to show you how easy this is to use. Let me just find a logo on my computer. Here is let's just see if I can find one of there we go. So here's a nice logo. I'll upload my logo, and you can see not only is it easy to upload that, I'll just save it. I can make it bigger by clicking on the make bigger button. I can click on the make it smaller button to make it smaller. So again, really easy to use feature here for this website builder. I can also click on the pencil, and then there's all these really simple cropping tools here. So if I want to crop the image, I can do that here. If I want to add a filter, so kind of change the colors or filter any of my images, those are built in. I can fine tune it, so I can change the saturation, or I can change the contrast simply by moving this around however I like. I can annotate it with arrows, lines, erasers. I can decorate the image. So you can see, and then once I'm done, I just click done, and then it'll resave it here, re-upload the new image. I click save, and there we go. Now I can make it bigger if I want, or smaller, just depending on my preference. So again, that's why this is the easiest website builder to use, because there's so many tools built in, and it's all just point and click to accomplish whatever you want. So if I want to update this section, I can change this hero. I can browse and upload a new image, and I have the same image editing tools. You can see that another part of why this is the easiest website builder to use is because it's already written all of the copy and text on the website for you. So you can see I put in my business name, Keegan's Tree Service Business. It's already written this from what it understands about tree service businesses and my name and information. It's written this in to the copy already. So you don't have to sit there and think of what to type out and write. All the services will be written, all of the About Us section will be written, the copy, and then you just edit it to add or subtract things that make sense for your business. So if I want to, let's just say in the About section, maybe I want to add something like, I have over 20 years of experience. I just type that in the, just in the word editor, which is really clear and straightforward there. I save it, close it, and now it appears on my website. So again, really easy to use website builder. So you can see that I just type that in, hit enter, and it's there. So another nice thing that comes with this, a lot of website builders, you have to deal with creating a form or integrating a third-party service just to try and have a contact form on your website, and then it's all clunky and you've got to figure out how to get it connected. This one is way easier than that. So let me just show you. So the website's built with a contact form, depending on your type of business, but certainly if you're a service business, the website will generate with a contact form right there. So if people click on contact, it'll bring them to the form, and then you can change that to be quick click to call or things like that if you'd prefer. So let's just say I want this contact button to, just call me when people click on it. I can just switch it over to that, click save, and now when someone clicks on that, it'll call my business. Same with email me if I'd prefer just emails, or if I want to link to like a calendar or things like that, I can do that too. But let me just show you this contact form. So I'll go here, I'll type in Keegan at mightysites.com, put in my phone number, and then I am in need of a tree service business, right? So I can just enter that in and then click send. And now as the customer, I'll just get this message that my message has been sent, and I can actually update any of this too to be whatever I like. But then as the owner of the site, so if this is your website for your small business, and I just go to the site dashboard, now I can see, I'll get an email that lets me know I have a lead. And then if I go into view leads, you can see that I've received a lead right here. So you can see what I sent. So now if I own this tree service business, I can just call or email to close the deal with the lead. So again, makes it really easy to use your website to generate leads for your business. Then connecting domain is super easy too. There's a step-by-step walkthrough here. So if you own a domain from Google Domains or GoDaddy and you want to connect it to your site, you simply paste it in here, and then it gives you very clear, it'll help identify where your domain is registered. If you forgot, it'll give you instructions that you can provide to your domain registrar so that they can help connect the domain to you. But it's a really smooth process with clear instructions for connecting your domain. So domains are another thing that are pretty challenging to do most of the time. I think Mighty Sites makes it really easy to connect your domain, which is part of why I think this is the easiest website builder that exists. And then you can update things like your location and your social media links back here, or from the dashboard, just go back to update your Mighty Site. And again, you can use the point and click editor to make any changes that you want. You can stop editing if you just want to see what it looks like without those update section buttons, and then you can just go right back to activate editing mode or go to the site dashboard. So again, this is the easiest website builder to use because it's just a point and click editor. It's very clean. It's very easy to know where you're loading images, editing the images, writing the copy. And then part of what makes this so easy too is that everything's pre-done for you. So the images, the text, like it comes with a lot already built for you. So you're basically just making edits after that. And I think that's why when you're talking about the easiest website builders, I think that's why Mighty Sites is at the top of the list because it's just so easy to use, especially if you've never built a website before or you just need a simple website for a small business. This is probably your best bet. It's going to save you time, money, and just be super easy from start to finish.